Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at skiguards.com, a website that claims to solve all your skiing woes with padded shin sleeves, goggles, and neck warmers. It sounds like a dream for anyone tired of boot-induced agony. But the real question is whether you can actually trust them or if you're just throwing your money into a snowbank. Their own website is packed with glowing, professional reviews that look suspiciously like they were written by a marketing team on a caffeine high. However, a quick trip to Trustpilot reveals a 1.6-star rating that's about as warm as a midwinter blizzard. Apparently, their customer service is so exclusive that they rarely bother responding to anyone who actually spends money. Most customers are reporting missing deliveries or products shipping from China, which is fantastic if you enjoy waiting until next season to get your gear. Returns are basically a myth, and the products themselves supposedly feel cheaper than a gas station souvenir. People are screaming scam louder than a tourist falling off a chairlift, citing issues with tracking and misleading claims about being a European company. While there are a few positive mentions for beginners, those are rarer than a short lift line on a Saturday. I suppose if you've never seen actual ski gear before, a piece of cardboard might look high-tech. When we looked at the products themselves, Google Lens revealed that the images are just lazy copy-pastes from other websites. If they can't even be bothered to take a photo of their own stock, you have to wonder if the stock even exists. To make matters worse, the domain was only registered in June 2025, making this company so fresh it's practically from the future. Nothing says established brand like a website that hasn't even survived a single summer yet. It's hard to build a track record when your business is still in its experimental phase. The red flags keep waving when you check their contact info. They list an email and a physical address, but a closer look shows the address was stolen from a completely different site. Their team is equally mysterious, featuring no names, no photos, and no signs of human life. Most legitimate businesses actually want you to know who they are, but these guys are playing a high-stakes game of hide-and-seek. It's safe to say skiguards.com is about as reliable as a chocolate teapot. Save your money and stick to brands that exist in this dimension. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this reality check, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews.